Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to remove background noise in CapCut PC. So let's get started. So if you want to remove background noise from your videos in CapCut PC, so to do that what you can do is just simply open up your CapCut application, and after opening up your CapCut application, now what you can do is just click on create project, and after clicking on create project, now you can add a project. So just click on import and import a project. So for example, I would like to select this video and I want to cancel the background noise from this video. So to do that, what you can do is just simply click and hold on to that video and then drag and drop it to your timeline. And in your timeline, you have to select that video. And after selecting that video, in the top right corner of your screen, you can find this option which is audio. Just click on audio, and after clicking on audio you just have to scroll down, and after scrolling down here you can find this option which is reduce noise. So just click on reduce noise, and this will reduce the noise of your background. So in this way you can just add a noise cancellation to your videos from CapCut. So that's it guys, this is how to remove background noise in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.